Jess. What's going on, Jess? Aloha, Jess. Woo. What you making, Jess? What you making?
Chicken breast.
Oh, yeah? What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Did I scare you, Jess? Sorry about that. So we're in Jessie's kitchen, and let's see what she's making. What are you making, Jess?
I don't know.
Huh?
I'm just making the chicken breast.
You're making the chicken breast.
I'm making...
What's that about, Jess? What's that about?
I have to go put in the smoke oven.
Oh, okay. Are you making soup also?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Sorry we haven't gotten any beach or tropical content. It's because it's been raining like for a day straight. Right, Jess? Yeah, last night, I think it... When did it start raining? Like pretty much the afternoon. Like yesterday afternoon, yeah. It was raining the whole day yesterday. All the way through even today. I mean, there were some spots where it stopped raining for maybe, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. But other than that, it just kept on raining, and raining. I hear someone's knocking on the door, guys. Let's see who this is. Who is it? Oh my goodness, it is. I don't know if you guys can see him. But I don't want to turn on the light. It's Mr. Isaac. But yeah, it was raining the whole morning. Right, Jess? I woke up like around 5 and it was raining. And then I went back to sleep. And I woke up again like around 7 and it was still raining. Alright. Jess, what's going on again?
Huh? There's nothing going on.
So yeah, I got a few messages on Instagram. If you haven't clicked on follow in Instagram, please do so. I post a lot there, not only pictures but Instagram stories.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tell them to hit that follow button on Instagram, Jess.
Yeah, whack it.
Yeah, whack it.
Hit it.
All right. But like I was saying, follow us on Instagram, guys. I do a lot of stories in there, along with pictures, of course. But I had someone ask me about if the road was open to KE Beach, to the end of the road there on the North Shore, past Hanalei, past Princeville. And at first I got word from my friend who works for the transportation department, I believe, and he said that it was still down. They weren't letting anyone go through unless it was an emergency. And then right before I was about to leave work, I heard on the radio that they were actually opening up one lane, guys, one lane. But the thing is, only for local traffic. To clarify that, I don't know if that means if you're here, or if you, it probably means if you live on that side. I don't know why they didn't open it to people who already live there. I mean, that's an emergency to get home. But yeah, that's what I just heard on the radio today, that one excuse me, one lane is open for local traffic only. So not just for emergencies now, but for local traffic. I might head up there tomorrow after Mr. Romeo's dentist appointment, which you guys are coming along also. But yeah, that's just a quick update on that, guys. So yeah, ask me some questions. I'll try to answer it if I can. If I can't, I'll ask around my friends and family, and if I, I'll just relay what information I get to you guys also. All right. Did you just grab chick papaya?
I just grabbed papaya.
From the side of the road? From the tree that was growing there?
Yes.
Wow! That is so awesome, guys. So yeah, we live in a place where, you know, there's papaya trees growing everywhere, coconut trees, tomatoes hanging from our wood fence. That is so awesome, Jess. So Jess grabbed some papaya. So in addition to the bok choy, woo, she is including papaya also. Look at that. Woo. So what is that, Jess? What you adding on there, Jess?
Salt only.
Salt?
Salt.
Alright. Let's see Jess in action here.
I want that.
Huh?
I want that.
This is chicken papaya. Hello. And they have the bachelor right there. Don't give me that.
Yeah, it's a boy. What's the matter with you?
This the weather is really cold. Why you want that?
Yeah.
There's leaves in there though.
What?
Hello.
Okay.
Just for making the stuff.
What's going on with you,
You
eating,
don't
boy?
have to eat the one. You just go grab your whatever you like.
Yeah. Oh, now the light's on.
Where?
So these are the guys that were knocking on our door. Let's see what's going on over here. Hi, Mr. Romeo. I heard you don't have Pampers on. Oi. You have Pampers on it? Romeo, what happened? I thought you were gonna go without Pampers. Huh? What happened? Who gave him Pampers?
Not me.
Huh?
Not me.
Oh, hi, Liza.
Not me, not that.
What happened, Romeo?
Not
Who gave him Pampers? What is that? Let's go under the light so we can see. We can show the crew.
me.
Look at that. No, it's still dark over here, honey.
Right here?
There's over there. Let's go that side.
Right here?
Yeah. Okay, what you got over there? Oh, go this side. Okay. Liza wants to show something. What you got there, Liza?
Here.
What is that? Wow. Where'd you get that from?
It's my ones I got from Claire.
Oh, wow.
Why did she
Oh,
want
who's it?
stuff from Claire? No, not today. It was like a long time ago.
Oh,
Excuse me, before you
Mr.
get up.
Ethan boy is jealous.
Yeah. Even
What are you jealous for?
if I get it on like a different day, he's still jealous. He always thinks it's this day.
Oh,
What
yeah?
are you making?
Alone.
I'm making.
Leave it alone. Hey, Romeo, leave that alone, son.
Playing the
But
board.
get. It's not a toy.
Now look how high I can jump. Look how high I can jump. Ready?
Wow. Okay, can you guys go over there now? Go in the living room, please.
Okay.
Thank you.